I have to keep moving, no turning back now.
Wow, just amazing. 8 seconds video. So you can create scene by scene and the same character using these tools. This is the best part for AI automation. Hey guys, welcome back to another new tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Higgsfield AI and why you should use, because if you want to use ultimate Nano Banana Pro for 1 year for free, so this video for you. Yes, so go to Higgsfield AI, sign up with your Gmail account. It's completely free and you will find a bunch of options over there. Okay, just explore and you can create ultimate images, videos, and a different kind of consistent characters for your videos, like animation, cartoon video, or your promotional video. Okay, also you can create a UGC video, but today I'm not going to create UGC or any character video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana for free. First of all, just visit the Nano Banana Pro gallery and you can see the ultimate Nano Banana Pro 1 year 365 days you can use this Nano Banana free. Okay, and absolutely free. Okay, so you can create different kind of images and also the videos over there. Okay, so why you should create these videos, images? Maybe you are looking for extra money, passive income through social media platform. Also you can grow your business through Facebook, TikTok, and definitely you need some video ads, promotional ads, okay, and product video. So you can use these tools. There are many options over there, but the problem is that the prices, and Higgsfield offer lowest prices in this market. You can compare this. The number one is Higgsfield. Here you can see the monthly plan is only $39, and Sora Pro you can create 8 seconds video, 3 to 5 VO3 1.8 and killing 2.5. Here you can see only 39 cents. Also you can compare open art, heavy art list, and free fly, and also free pick. They're the highest cost over there, and you can compare. You can see the lowest price in this section. Okay, so no more delay, just grab this offer, 65% off, because you know that different kind of tools out there, but which tools is perfect for you, it depends on your perspective. That's mean what kind of works do you need. A Pro 17.4 and 24.5 and 89 per month, and if you go to Pro, only $17.40, and you will see the 365 unlimited. It's a Seed Dream Nano Banana. That's the amazing part. Also if you grab this ultimate, and you will see the Nano Banana Pro, that's ultimate. So this is the best thing ever, I think, because I have been using different kind of tools last couple of years, and I think the Higgsfield is providing awesome offers and ever. Okay, so just grab this offer. So I'm going to show you how you can use these tools and how you can use the Nano Banana Pro. Okay, here you can see. So I'm going to show you just creating some of images and videos over there. Here you can see Higgsfield Soul. Okay, so describe the scene you imagine. So definitely you need some script. That's mean if you want to create images, definitely you need some script. Also you can create a video over there. Okay, so let's something create amazing. Okay, first of all go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a script. That's mean I want to create a short, engaging, and viral content for my audience. Okay, so write a short story in a fantastic city, story about a time traveler, your favorite food, fantastic city. Okay, they're gonna very, so I think they're gonna love people. Okay, so this is the story all about a neon down, a short futuristic story. Okay, so let's grab this story over here. Perfect, copy it, and let's go back to Higgsfield Soul and describe the scene you imagine. Paste it over here, Nano Banana Pro, select the Nano Banana Pro. You can see and let's select the ratio, which is really important. I want to create a YouTube video, so let's select the 60:9 ratio. And definitely if you want to create shorts video for TikTok, reels, and YouTube shorts, definitely you should go 9:16. Okay, so let's try with a shorts video because shorts are really trending right now. Okay, so first of all, okay, unlimited, so let's click on generate. Okay, so I think our video is ready, so let's open our video over here. Here you can see this is the video. Okay, so she's running, and you can use Kling 2.5 turbo, also you can use VO3. Okay, so I think is Higgsfield is also standard light. You can, and let's click on the model. The best part is you can find the multiple models over here and in a one place, like Higgsfield, Minimax, OpenAI, Google VO3 1, Kling. Okay, so you can choose any of them, which is really good for you. That's with your production, video production. Okay, so I think this one is really good. Pick. Okay, perfect, and its ratio is short ratio, and the quality is perfect. 8 seconds video, and you can see that generate it will count 22 credits, I think so. So let's click on generate, and I will show you the final results, guys. Okay, I have been using different videos. This is the video I've already generated and I already uploaded into my YouTube channel. Alright guys, and this is the video. Here you can see this shot has gotten 1.3k, 1349 views, and finally we just got a subscriber. That's amazing. Okay, so this is the video, guys. Okay, so let's play the video.
Did you hear that? Stay close. Run!
Yeah, this is the video. So let's open the video. Yes.
Did you hear that? Stay close. Run!
Okay, and this is the prompt, guys. I think it's proved that you can upload a shorts video creating Higgsfield, and you can get subscriber and views, and also you can make money once you have monetized your YouTube channel. So this is the perfect time to grab these tools, because in 2025 this is the last time we only get the Black Friday deals, and for the next 1 year you can use Nano Banana Pro, Ultimate, and different tools in one place, and I think this is the perfect deal. Okay guys, so finally our video is ready, so it's time to play the video.
I have to keep moving, no turning back now.
Wow, just amazing. 8 seconds video. So you can create scene by scene and the same character using these tools. This is the best part for AI automation. Okay, so I'm signing out from this video. I'm Raihan Rifat, and thanks for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful, please comment below, and if you try this Higgsfield.ai, so mention these tools. So don't forget to let me know how is these tools, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.